Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the Walmart Debit Visa gift card, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add it into our Uber app as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the Walmart Debit Visa gift cards, basically what it is, you just buy these little cards at a local Walmart. So I bought this one in Orange County. And then once you buy the card, then you can load cash, green cash onto the card. And then once that happens, you can use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. And also they're a little different than the prepaid cards because these you can only load one time, as opposed to the prepaid Walmart money card, you can keep reloading money onto the cards. But can you use these on your Uber app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Uber app. It's this black and white one right here called Uber. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, so I went ahead and opened up the app, and this is the home screen for Uber. And here on the home screen, you can see a map of your general area. You can also see suggested addresses where you might be traveling with Uber, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to try to add your Walmart Debit Visa gift card into your Uber app as a payment method, you want to click this button right here on the top left. It has these three little lines on it. Once you click there, a drop-down menu is going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then on this screen you can see your profile picture. You can also order food delivery on the Uber app. You can also check your historical trips, so any kind of recent trips you've taken with Uber, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to add your Walmart Debit Visa gift card into the Uber app as a payment method, you want to go ahead and click right here on the payment line right here. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines down from the top. I'm going to click there now. Alright, next the screen pops up, so you have a couple of different options. The top is Uber Cash, where you can add funds. I'm actually not entirely sure what this function is. I've never used that on the Uber app. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But if you want to try to add the Walmart Debit Visa gift card into the Uber app, you want to look down here under payment methods. There's this blue line right here called add payment method. I'm going to click there now. Alright, on this screen it's called add payment, and then here at the top it says credit or debit card. This is a Walmart Debit Visa gift card, so I'm going to choose the top line, but you can also add other options like your Venmo or PayPal, but I'm going to go ahead and choose the first option now. Alright, next Uber is asking for the 16-digit number from the Walmart Debit Visa gift card, along with the expiration date, security code, and zip code that you registered the card with. Now, when you got this card, you are usually required to register it before you can use it online. If you haven't done that yet, be sure to go back and watch my other video that explains that step-by-step how to register a Walmart Debit Visa gift card. But I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in off screen now. Alright, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information, and then this button pops up right here in the middle. It's this black and white one called Save. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, and just a few seconds later, this screen popped back up again, which shows the different payment methods. And yes, it looks like you can add your Walmart Debit Visa gift card into your Uber app as a payment method. And you can see right here, before I didn't have a Visa registered with my Uber app, now I do right there. I did verify the last 4 digits that are listed on the app along with the one that's on the Walmart gift card. If you were not able to add your Walmart gift card into your Uber app as a payment method, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why. But as far as I can see, it shouldn't be a problem at all. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.